Open the Roomba plus 405. Let's go! Welcome to my channel. It's my Roomba channel. My name is Asher. It's my first Roomba channel. Is it my birthday?
No.
Is it Violet's birthday?
No.
It's Roomba's birthday.
No, it's not Roomba's birthday.
What? What is it?
Asher.
What is it? Open it. Open it.
You don't know what it is.
What is it? Open it, Mommy.
It's the Roomba plus 405.
What?
Plus 405.
That just came out. What are you gonna name this Roomba? Let's go look at it first. You'll.
Roomba's Roomba.
No, excited, not scary. Get in there. Get that Roomba.
Open.
Wait, is that a letter? They get you stickers, dude.
It says, "Hi there, Asher. We know a future engineer when we see one. Because you love Roomba just as much as all of us, we wanted to send you a gift. Thank you for being our biggest fan.
Asher.
To the future of clean, everyone at iRobot." And they drew a Roomba.
They've made you a
That
letter.
is so cute.
It's so heavy.
You can do it. Get it.
It's heavy.
Yeah, probably because it's got an auto wash dock. You'll learn.
I got it.
Open.
It's heavy. Oh, the big box.
That's the dock, dude.
The dock. Yes, the dock. It's my new Roomba. Yeah. This is heavy. It's a Roomba plus 405. This part is garbage. I don't need this.
Okay.
Where are you going?
I don't need this part.
You throw it away?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, man.
I just put that part in the trash can because it was trash can.
Okay.
Are you ready to see the Roomba plus 405 for the first time?
You lift it up.
Whoa! It's so cool! It's a new Roomba! Does it have a button?
Let's find out.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Mama, Dada. Yes?
How do I turn it on? Oh. I can
Whoa,
turn it
feel
on.
that.
It's so cool! This actually comes off!
Wow.
And this is where it has. It has this. It's dustbin. This is its dustbin. It does have a LiDAR. Turn on. Or Mama. And then this is where you put some things in it, and it goes inside, and that's the dustbin up here. So it goes in here, then it goes up to here, and I'm gonna get a surprise. The surprise is, hey, we opened that one. Wow!
The new mop pads.
What is this? The new iRobot pad! A brush! Now to put the brush on.
Oh, do you want to put the mop pads on?
Yes, I do. This mop pad goes here. It does go here. What? Look! Yeah, only one brush. And the same green brush is that one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, M, L, N, O, P.
Asher, I found something else.
What is it? A cable! A cable. Thank you, iRobot! I'm the charger. I'm the charger. Let's set up the Roomba. Okay. Empty the dustbin. Empty the dustbin. Good job. Dustbin installed. Let's go. It's a Captain Crumble.
That's the name?
Yeah. So this is the dirty water tank and this is the clean water tank. It cleans the mop pad and all the water goes in the dirty water tank. It Monster has to clean water every day. My Roomba made a map of the house. The map is really good and we saw no ghost zones. Places where the Roomba can't go.
Do you love this Roomba?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite?
Yes, it is.
How many Roombas do you have?
4. What do we want? 5.
What is the best Roomba that you have?
Captain Grumble, actually.
That's a good name.
Please start Roomba. I bet I have the cleanest floors in the whole world. Picture my Please try Roomba. Roomba plus 405. Then this is where you put some things in it and it goes inside. That's the dustbin up here. So it's dustbin. This is its dustbin. Roomba. 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 Please turn Roomba. My Roomba made a map of the house. The map is really good and we saw no ghost zones. Places where the Roomba can't go. It emptied the dustbin. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, Barry. Please turn Roomba. Wow, look the floors. Please turn Roomba. They're all clean. Please turn Roomba. Good job, Roomba. Please turn Roomba. You did it. Please turn Roomba. Roomba. I love it.
All right, guys. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, thank you, iRobot.
Do you love him?
Yeah,
Good night, Asher.
good night.
Good night, Roomba.
He says to me, he said, I love you.
Oh, what a great Roomba. All right, good night. Oh, wait. Did he say like and subscribe? That means like and subscribe?
Yeah.
All right,
Good.
like and subscribe. Good night, guys.
Good night.
You did it! Good job.